Hi and welcome to Treasurie. Today I'm going to show you how to get your yarn onto your hook, how to hold your hook, and how to do your first chain stitch. It's an absolute beginner tutorial and let's get started. First thing, we have to get the yarn on your hook. In order to do that, we're going to do a slip knot. So if you unravel a bit of yarn, you'll have your tail and you'll have the end that's attached to the ball still. Grab the end that's attached to the ball and put it over the other end in a loop. So we have a nice loop, tail end underneath. Grab your little pinches and we're going to put it through that loop. So you lift it up a little bit so you can get it through. Open up a little bit and we're going to grab the yarn on the ball end. So see that tail is just resting nicely. Grab the end of the ball end. Now grab the tail with your left hand and pull gently. So you're pulling a loop through the middle of that hole. There we go. That's your slip knot. This is an adjustable knot, so look at this. If I pull it, you need to pull the ball end, not the tail end. So pull it, look at that, it gets a little bit smaller. Now we have the knot on the hook. There's our tail and there's our end attached to the ball. We need to be able to hold the hook correctly. Now, depending on your comfort, it's okay to hold it like a knife. So just as if you're cutting your meat, or you can hold it like a pencil. See, that's pencil grip from underneath. Just do whichever way is comfortable for you. So I like knife grip, so holding it from the top. So this is the ball end. So just place it across your fingers on the inside. And I want you to grab with the end 3 fingers. See that motion? Just grab, and we still have our index and our thumb free. You're now going to put it behind the index finger, turn, and using your middle finger and your thumb, grab the tail end below. Okay, do you want me to do that one more time so you don't have to rewind? Okay, we have the tail here, ball end here. Pick it up on the right hand side like a knife or like a pencil. I'm doing knife. And with our left hand, palm up, close those 3 fingers over the yarn. Yarn behind your index finger, turn, and with your thumb and middle finger, you're going to grab the tail. That takes a little bit of getting used to, like everything, but just practice that so you have a really firm grip. Okay, first chain stitch. Hook is facing up. Put the yarn over. My hook is up. We're going to flip the hook so it's facing down, and the hook bit there is going to hook the yarn so it can't come out. And make sure you've got a nice steady grip on the tail and just pull that back through the loop. Okay, that's our first chain. Do another one. Make sure you don't pull too tight, because if you pull that too tight, so this loop is tight, you can't get the new stitch through it. So just lift up a little bit. Okay, yarn over, my hook is up. I'm going to twist it. This twisting is with the right hand. Twist it so it's facing down and pull through the loop. Thanks for watching. The next tutorial you'll want to watch is how to chain stitch and then how to single crochet. You're on your way. I'll see you next time.